If you're experiencing a verification pending status with CB&S Bank, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate through the process efficiently. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure that you have checked your email for any messages from CB&S Bank. They may have sent you a verification link or additional instructions that need your attention. Step 2. Verify your information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Contact customer support. If you cannot find any emails or if your information is correct, reach out to CB&S Bank's customer support. You can call them or use their online chat service to get assistance regarding your verification status. Step 4. Provide required documentation. Be prepared to provide any necessary documentation that may be requested by customer support. This could include identification or proof of address to help expedite the verification process. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting any required information or documentation, wait for confirmation from CB&S Bank. They will notify you once your verification is complete, which may take a few hours to a couple of days. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue with CB&S Bank efficiently. If problems persist, consider following up with customer support for further assistance.